This is the mouth care skills, guys. The mouth care and denture skills she's doing for Prometric. The patient prefers their gum lines to be clean first, so she's doing the gum lines first, and then she's gonna clean the dentures. As you notice, she's got her patient all the way up to prevent aspiration.
Just going to wet your brush first. And put some toothpaste on it. Okay, now can you open up for me? Just gonna do your right side, the gums, and then your left side, up, down, right side, up. Can you stick your tongue out for me too? Your tongue. Okay, you're done. I need you to rinse your mouth. Okay, you just gargle around, rinse it. Can you just spit it into this emesis basin for me, please? Okay, another time. Gargle, spit, gargle again, rinse, and spit. Okay, now that we're done, I'm going to just wipe your mouth, pat. Okay. Good. You good? Okay. Okay. Now that we're done with this, I am going to clean your dentures. Let me just grab the toothbrush, and then okay, just gonna line the sink. Okay, just get your dentures. Okay, start playing with this first one.
Chase, you can come. She's doing denture care, brushing the patient's dentures. Are you observing? Okay.